having one solution ICO. This is just a different ICO. This focus on helping people to be able to have a crypto fund where they can invest in different ICOs. And for one thing, every individual who are part of this platform will be the one to decide which ICO they want to invest on and the one they are not investing on. It says innovative using cryptocurrency and decentralized crypto fund. And pre-ICO starts in 2 days time. 2 days time. It says one solution fund will create an ecosystem that will change the ICO industry. You can watch the video. I will show you the link to the video. Apart from the fund, it says they also have going to have one solution academy. It says the main task of the academy is to search for young talent as well as teams that are capable of generating new and prospective ideas and to aim them in the further development and realization of their ideas in practice. This will result in an even greater profit growth of the fund on an account of establishing the most beneficial terms of investing in such projects and control over their implementation and development. You can see the benefit: maximum decentralization of fund management, careful analysis and minimization of risks, full transparency of activities, and all the rest you can find here. It says ability to receive dividend from up to 70% of the fund profit. So investors will receive dividend for what they've invested on. Token issued to be 100 million OSF. One solution will offer OSF tokens and Ethereum ERC20 token, which you can swap on the cryptocurrency Sovo after the end of the ICO and get additional 10% bonus. So the OSF token is $10 for one. Price of Sovo is 1. So you can buy with BTC and Ethereum. So pre-ICO is $7.50. The next ICO phase is $8, 8.5, 9, 9.5, and 10. And how they are going to distribute the fund is already itemized here. And this is the roadmap. Dagmar Cash, Anthony Coles, and all of them, the team members here and the advisors. These are the questions you may have. Just click on them and you will find answers to it. I'm sure you want to know if this ICO is real, is it a scam? You can see the CFO here. Let's go to their YouTube channel. You can see the video here. So just click on it, you'll be able to watch this video. So it's obvious that these guys are real. This is not a scam. And the white paper, 38 page, were put together. I always encourage, please take your time and go through the white paper. Read it through. It will help you to know more about the project. And Telegram, 78,528. This is huge. The community is booming. So let's check their Twitter, 7,199. Their Twitter. So I believe this project is unique, is huge, and I encourage you can go for this ICO. So I'm dropping the link below in the description box. Just click on it and go for the ICO. But please do not forget, anything I've said in this review is strictly my personal opinion. Do not take it as a financial advice. Do your own due diligence, read the white paper, and make your own decision. Thank you. Please, before you go, please and please subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell, and I'll continue to bring more videos to you. Until next time I come your way, stay safe.